the population of all the items that are going back into the truck right now as we speak and videotape. And you can see that our wiring harness is back in. We have brand new grommets. Nice fresh grommets in there from the factory. And the nicely restored wiring harness is back in. All that work that we did a few weeks ago is paying off now. And putting it in, we can see the pedal assembly, which has been painted in black. Brand new pedal pads. Look real sharp, clutch and brake. Coming over here to the fuse panel. One of the nice things to see is the roll cage right back in. Nice and contrasty between that and the body color and the black roll cage. So it comes along nicely.